The Pikasola PV Combiner Box provides a robust solution for solar panel systems with its 6-string capacity, allowing for greater energy handling compared to 4-string models. Equipped with a reliable 15 ampere LED fuse, this combiner box includes a convenient indicator light that alerts users when a fuse needs replacing. The device offers comprehensive protection with features like a 63 ampere circuit breaker and a 600-volt lightning protector, ensuring safety and durability. Designed for easy installation, the box comes with pre-connected cables and mounting buckles, making it user-friendly for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its IP65 waterproof rating ensures the box is well protected against harsh outdoor conditions, offering both dustproof and waterproof capabilities. This versatile combiner box is suitable for a wide range of applications, including on-grid and off-grid solar power systems, making it ideal for residential and RV use.